Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, then welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, OG supporter, has been here all along, welcome back. Alright, so in today's video, I want to show you guys this makeup look I have going on right now. Kind of intense, I feel like, but then again, kind of glamorous and shimmer and shine. Kind of like aqua feeling. I don't know. What do you guys think? I kind of like this look. It's giving me vibes. It's giving me vibes. So, I haven't really thought of the name yet because I haven't, edited my video yet. Anyway, so if you guys know or can think of a good name for this look, comment down below what you think this look should be called. Anyway, you guys, so this is the look I am going for, and yeah, so just stick around and let's do our makeup. You guys, of course, before I get started, if you haven't already, go ahead and click that red button down below and click subscribe. Join the Kwak fam if you haven't already. I mean, come on, why not? I do fun, exciting, and amazing looks just like this. And then go ahead and, I don't know, maybe follow me on my social platform. All links are down below. I mean, it's easy for you to scroll down and click on that link. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So go ahead and do that. And of course, don't forget that I do a giveaway in my videos. And the best way to know about the giveaways is to tap on that notification bell. So yeah, alright, so let's get started and do our makeup. Alright, the first thing that I always do is do my brows, and that's nothing new to you guys. So I'm going to do my brows real quick, brush them off like so, and then fill them in with my brow pencil. So now taking my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, I'm going to just dab that right on top of my eyelid. It's going to act as a base. So for today's makeup look, I'm going to dive into my Tarteist Pro Remix palette. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but most of these shades or shadows are shimmer shades or shimmer shadows, and just a couple of them are matte, so I might be diving into other palettes here and there. I haven't really confirmed that, in my head yet, so just letting you know ahead of time. First, I'm diving into the shade Mixed Media and placing that all over my lid. Next, taking the shade Wall Art, I'm going to use that as a crease color. Alright, so now taking that artist shade and using a much smaller brush, I'm going to focus that color on the inner corner and on the outer corner of my eye. Alright, so far so good, but if I do need to touch up a little bit more, I will go ahead and do that. But for now, I'm going to go back in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer and just dab that right on the center of my lid, just like so. And then just using my finger, I'm going to just dab that out. Now going back into the Tarteist Pro Remix palette, I'm picking up the shade Art Deco. And we're going to place that right where we placed the e.l.f. concealer on the center of our lid. So I kind of want to add in a little bit of green to this eye look. And they have a beautiful color called Color Explosion. And I want to add that into my eye somehow, incorporate it. I'm going to take the shade Color Explosion and just lightly sweep it over the center where I placed Art Deco. So now, just to give my eyes a little bit of that sultry look, I'm going to take the shade Ink and place that just on the outer corners and a little bit along my crease. So now I'm going to pick up a little bit of graphic and add that on the crease, but more towards the inner half of my eyes. Using my favorite Epic Ink eyeliner by the company NYX, I'm going to go ahead and just do my eyeliner. And just like that, I got my eyeliner on, a nice semi-thick but not really cat eye look, and we're going to go ahead and put on some foundation. Using my all-time favorite Hourglass foundation stick, I'm going to go ahead and place that all over my face. I'll be using my Morphe M439 brush. This is, you guys, an amazing brush. I honestly love this brush. It's nice and chunky, and it blends all my foundation super well. So yeah, this is a must-have brush if you don't have one already. So just blend all of that foundation out. Now that I have my foundation on, let's go ahead and put on some concealer. I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape, and if you're curious, I'm using the shade Light Medium. And we're just going to place that under the eyes. And then I'm using my Real Technique sponge to kind of blend that all in. I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just add a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, like that, like that, like that, and right there. I'm just basically adding onto my face where I want like the areas to be highlighted more, to be more like up front and center. Now that I have my foundation and my concealer on, I'm going to take my Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder and just set that on my face. And really, you guys, a little goes a really long way. So that is what I'm doing. Now, I kind of want to add a little bit of color to my face, obviously. So I'm going to go ahead and take my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. And then picking up that contour shade, I'm going to just add a little bit of color to my face. For my blush, I'm going to take my Milani in Coral Cove. And you guys know this is honestly one of my favorite blushes. Just pick a little bit up on my brush. And lately, what I've been doing is starting from like the cheeks and going over my nose and going back around my face like so. I feel like this gives a nice young and youthful look. I mean, at my age, I'm always striving to look young and youthful. So that is that. For my highlight, I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild Mega Glow. And this one is in the shade Mega Glow. Alright. So that is a little like loose highlighting powder. This loose highlighting powder, it is some powerful stuff. So keep that in mind. A little bit on my nose, on my cupid bow. Alright, we are not done with the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to go back in and curl my lashes and then put on some mascara. If you're curious what I use for my eyes, I use the Shiseido Lash Curler, and then I went ahead and picked up my Tarte Lights Caramel Lashes. I've been using this together for like honestly a really long time at this point. So you guys know this is my current like go-to favorite. Love it. I mean, I use it, love it all the time. Alright, so I feel like I'm not really done with my eyes yet. I did put in a bunch of shades in it, but a part of it feels somewhat one-dimensional. I want to add a little bit of more shine to it. Not just shimmer, but shine. I feel the perfect shine product for that is the Stila, and this one is in this shade, Sunset Cove. So now I'm going to take this and place it very lightly with a very light hand on top of my eyes, but more focusing it on the center of my lid. You guys, I honestly and truly feel like that made a world of difference. I mean, you can see the shine that I'm talking about now right on the center of my lid. The shine, it is looking amazing. Alright, so you can go ahead and, plop on some lashes, but I'm just going to leave it as is. I think it looks fine the way it is. I'm going to now dive back into my palette and pick up the shade Graphic one more time and place that on the outer lower part of my eyes. And then picking up that beautiful shade Mashup, and then just pop a little bit of that Mashup right on the lower part of your eyelid. I do want to finish it off by adding some more glow and shine to my eyes. So taking that Sunset Cove, I'm going to add it on the corners of my eyelid. Then taking my Dose of Color in the Most. You guys, this is my final makeup look. I am really enjoying it. And I'm also really enjoying this Tarteist Pro Remix. Alright, so that is what we have going on right now. I am loving this look. I'm loving the halo eye. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to call this look yet, but I mean, hey, it's beautiful. I love it. And yeah, nice shine, glow, shimmer. It has it all. From my lips to my eyes to my highlight. Everything is amazing and perfect. If you guys love videos like this, please go ahead and click that like button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't already, of course, click on that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Join the Kwak fam. And I have tons of giveaway. So make sure you are subscribed, and My giveaway link is always posted in my description box, so go down, click on that link. As a matter of fact, even my social platform is in the description box, so go ahead and click on that. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys have a good one. Bye!